And in this video we are going to see death from the Marcus Aurelius point of view. I took some of his quote from his only book Meditation and see what we can learn from it. Think of yourself as dead. You lived your life, now take what's left and live it properly. Imagine this is your last day on this earth and you only have some moment left, and now you are reflecting on your life, on how you lived. Remember all the things that you said you are going to do, whether it is starting your own business, whether it is going on some adventure, doing the things that you love. See how you feel if you left this thing undone. The regrets that you are feeling at this moment, that you haven't got the chance. You do have the chance, but due to some reason you procrastinate and you said you will do it later. Isn't it really hard? So come back to here and do all the things that you can, the things that you want, because at the end of the day we all are going to be dead. For death is fear of what we may experience, nothing at all or something quite new. But if we experience nothing, then we can experience nothing bad. And if our experience changes, then our existence will change it with it. Change but not cease. So we can see death from two perspectives. Okay, first one is it is nothing, or the second one is it is something quite new. Let's take the first one. If we see death as nothing, then while we experience the death, there is nothing to experience. And if there is nothing to experience, then experience nothing is not too bad, right? It's not too bad. And if we take second perspective on, it is something quite new for us. It is something like growing up from children to adults, or from adults to old. Okay, so we haven't feel anything bad while growing from children to adults, or the chances are we are not going to feel bad at the time of death. And personally I was really scared of that until I read this book. Now I can say that the maximum fear of death has been gone from me. You could live life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think. And this phrase is quite a powerful one, because most of the people take life for granted. But it teaches us that while talking with someone, realize that it might be a last chance. You may never get another chance to talk with that person. And while waking up in the morning, realize that it can be your last day on this earth. Or that sleeping at night, realize that this can be your last night on this earth. It is not meant to scare us, but it is therefore making us present, so we can live our life in now. That the longest lived and those who will die soonest lose the same thing. The present is all that they can give up, since that is all you have, and what you do not have you cannot lose. The people who die early or the people who live longest are going to lose the same thing, the present moment. There is nothing more than that. We can't have past because it's gone, and the future is not guaranteed to anyone. Who knows, this can be the last time I'm making this video, or it can be your last time you are watching this video. You may not get another chance to watch mine video, or I may not get a chance to make another video. It is a beautiful reminder. And in his meditation, couple of times Marcus has addressed that we should live in present moment, not to live as if you had endless years ahead of you. Death overshadows you. While you are alive and able, be good. We take our life for granted. We live as though we have hundreds or thousands of years to live. But little that we know, even next hour is not promised. So it is powerful one. Okay, we should live in the present moment so we can get the most from it. Alexander the Great and his driver both died at the same thing happened to both. Think of all the people, all the great philosophers, all the great writers, all the great personality from the past. Where are they now? They all are gone, and it is the process of nature. It doesn't matter whether you are a king or you are slave, you are a teacher or you are a student. Sooner or later we are all going to be dead. And this is your homework. I want you to meditate on this thought for at least 5 minutes. Constant awareness that everything is born from change. The knowledge that there is nothing nature loves more than to alter what exists and make new thing like it. All that exists is the seed of what will emerge from it. You think the only seeds are the ones that make plant or children? Go deeper.